It's that time of the week again, guys. Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays, week 10. We're in the double digits now? That is crazy, dude. I can't believe we've been doing 10 weeks of Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays. This one should be a good one then, right? It has to be lucky. So this one is actually gonna be from Laced Up. It's their first ever beater box that I know of. So I'm super excited about it, dude. $1,000 Laced Up beater box. There's even like all the question marks already on here to show it's a mystery box. So yeah, we're gonna be checking out all of that right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a sneaker mystery box for you. Favorite day of the week, best day of the week, man. You guys know it's the weekend coming up, but before we start the weekend, we gotta open up a mystery box. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. However, before we open it up, I do wanna give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is the minimalistic jewelry company that has been styling me for like the last couple months now. And I gotta tell you guys, man, they have been great. All of the jewelry that they have has been amazing. It's always great quality, and I really just enjoy the products because it's minimal like aesthetics. And today I'm actually rocking the sterling silver wing necklace, and I think these work best for like black tees because that silver pops out a little bit more against that black t-shirt. So that's why this is a good cop. I really like this one, man. There's a whole bunch of other things on the website too. They have bracelets, they have watches, they have rings and stuff even now. I'm hoping I can cop some of those rings so I can show you guys on the channel what those look like. So hopefully that's coming soon. So what you guys are gonna do is go to the description below, click on the link. It will take you to Rose Gold and Black, where you will get 30% off your order, 30% and free shipping. So these prices that are already really great on the site, they're getting even better with 30% off. Check that out, Rose Gold and Black. Now let's get into the beater box. This one is gonna be $1,000 from Laced Up, and I do not know what to expect because this is the first box that Laced Up is actually doing. We've done like mystery boxes in the past from Laced Up, but those are like hype beast mystery boxes. So we saw like a lot of bait, a lot of bait. Like there was a lot of bait, too much bait. It was too much bait. That is neither here or there. We have sneakers now. We're only focusing on the sneaker part. So I don't know what to expect. We never got sneakers from Laced Up, so this will be like a new adventure for us. They don't have mystery boxes on their website now, I would think. It was like a limited drop where they had like maybe 10 or so boxes. So I decided to cop one for you guys to see, is this worth it? Is it worth your time? Is it worth your money? So let's open that up, man. $1,000 Laced Up beater box. Okay, so first things first in here, I guess it comes with a laced up hoodie. I'm hoping that this is extra and not like part of the value of the box. But this is what the hoodie looks like. And then also on the back is a bigger laced up logo. So cool little added extra. The little added extras really like make a difference, I feel like, in terms of like customer, like, I don't know, appreciation, you know. It's just something they don't really need to do, but they do it. So I think that's cool. Good little starter piece here, but yeah, it doesn't add any value to the box. I hope. I hope that's the case. The first shoe that we have though is a pair of Jordan 16s. I believe this is from the CDP pack, but I'm not sure. It could just be like a Jordan 16 bread. But anyway, you guys can check it out over here. It does look like it's in a youth, yeah, size 6.5 youth. So Jordan 16, 6.5Y. Doesn't come with the box, and also doesn't come with like the protector thing. I don't know what they're called, man. The thing that goes over like the top for Jordan 16s doesn't have that either. Oh wait, actually this one does have whatever this thing is called that I was talking about. What is this? What is this called? Like a shield? A sneaker shield or something? I don't know, man. Interesting stuff. But it has one. It doesn't have both. If you guys want it, it will be on untiedhawaii.com. Next up over here, we have a pair of Air Max 97s. This one is in a size 8, and I believe these are called the Silver Bullets. No box, used. Bottoms not too bad though. I mean, overall the shoe is used, but this is one of those iconic sneakers, so I believe that this one will fetch a decent amount of money on the counter up there. This is cool, size 8 if you guys are looking for it. Oh, I guess I missed this. So there was like another little free item I'm hoping from Laced Up. This one is like a, what is this, a shoulder bag? Laced Up got their own shoulder bags in here? That's pretty cool. Laced Up shoulder bag. You guys can see it says Laced Up over here, and also has branding on the front over here. So cool added bonus once again. I'm hoping it's added bonus, and I'm hoping it's not part of the box value, like I said for the hoodie, but just like this cool little extra stuff that is always nice to see in boxes. I appreciate that a lot. Boy, oh boy, dude. Is this a LeBron? I think this is some kind of LeBron. I'm guessing it's a bread colorway. I really have no idea. It's a black and red LeBron. 8, 9? I don't really know my LeBron. This one is a size 9.5 though. And I mean, the colorway and stuff isn't that bad. Anytime you got a black and red shoe, it's pretty easy to match with anything, so that's a good sign. Another good sign is that this one is in like minimally used condition. There is suede on the upper up here, which you guys can tell there's a little bit of like scuffing and stuff and whatnot on the suede, which is common because it is suede. But the rest of the shoe looks pretty darn clean. Bottoms are a little bit used. Insides look fine though. There's not a lot of sock lint, so you know it hasn't been used too much. And yeah, overall, pretty clean sneaker. This one is in the size 9.5, so if you can fit that, it will be on untiedhawaii.com. Now we can get into the shoe boxes. I thought this was a Jordan 1 Union, but that's not the case. This is the same box I believe they use for the Unions, but if it doesn't say Nike over here, it's not a Jordan 1 Union. So this one is actually a Jordan 11 low in a size 10. I'm not sure what 11 low comes in this kind of box. Is that right? Really? What? Okay, maybe. I'm not too sure. This is the Jeter 11 lows. Derek Jeter, you know, the former Yankee, number 2, the captain, played for, I don't even know how many years as a Yankee, but played for a very, very long time. I am not certain if this is a dead stock sneaker. It looks like it could be though. I mean, the bottoms are super, super clean. Insides look fine, and there's not really any toe box creasing up here. This is an all suede upper, and you guys can tell it does have those Yankee vibes with that like navy kind of blue look. So this is sick. Does come with extra laces in here too, and this one has the lace bag attached, so even more so, I think this is a dead stock pair of Jeter 11 lows. Very cool. Anytime you can get a dead stock sneaker, that's how you guys know it is a good box, because dead stock sneakers are just way too easy to move. 2 shoes left in here. This one is a weird box. That's why it's a pair of Timbs. I don't like that. Don't like that at all. Timberlands. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. I don't know what to say about this, man. Very patriotic. I guess it's a pair of Supreme Timbs. This is a Supreme collab. It is a Supreme collab because you guys see that branding right here. I don't think this is dead stock. There is some pretty heavy creasing over here, so I don't think it's dead stock. Also has Supreme branding right here, I just saw. American flag running throughout the shoe, so that's interesting. It is used condition, does have Supreme branding on it, and definitely a patriotic shoe. But I'm just not feeling this, man. I feel like this is pretty extra and I don't like it at all. So if you guys want this, it does have the original box, and I guess it was a Supreme collab, so hopefully it goes for a decent amount of money, man. I mean, it says Supreme on it, so you would assume there's resale value, but you never know. So that's an interesting one for sure. All right, so we got to the last shoe of the box. There was only 6 sneakers in here, it looks like, so a lot smaller. This one is a pair of off-whites though, in a size 11. Off-white 97. So this is the off-white 97s. This should take care of, I would say, at least half the box. At least half the box. So probably like 700 bucks or so. So that's a very, very good thing, man. Air Max 97s, you guys can check it out on the camera. This one does look like it's in pretty solid condition still. It's super white on the upper still. No scuffing, no marks. Bottom, slightly dirty, but everything else looks good. Also comes with the zip tie on this one, and also has the extra laces in here, so another good sign. All of that added stuff increases the value, so good stuff right there. It was a decent box, I guess, because the off-white is like at least half the price of the box, like I said, so probably 70% or so of the box. I have no idea what the Tim's price was, maybe 100 bucks. I'm hoping it has Supreme on it. And then the Jeter 11 lows in dead stock condition should be about, I don't know, 200 bucks or whatever retail was. So that's the price of the box. I'm not sure. I don't really feel it myself per se. They're not bangers at all like Soul Supremacy boxes, but another good option for you guys potentially. So whenever they have beater boxes, this is what you could expect. Overall, I'm not super hyped. I'm not super thrilled on it because there was basically only 1 good sneaker in there, and maybe 2. The Jeter's not bad. Rest was it was sus. So that's my thoughts on this box. Let me know what your guys' own thoughts on the box are though in the comments below. Always love hearing you guys' opinions. I think we've now seen 4 or 5 different shops that have done beater boxes like during Sneaker Mystery Box Friday. So that's a good sample size, man. If you guys ever see any more beater boxes from reputable companies, not people on Instagram selling beater boxes, reputable companies like brick and mortar companies, tag me on Instagram at UntiedHawaii so you guys can show me what the box is, and I'll definitely check it out for you guys if it doesn't look sketch. I want to give you guys as much examples as you can because I know a lot of you guys want to try to do what I'm doing, you know, open up these mystery boxes, selling them and whatnot. So I want to show you guys authentic boxes that look good, you know, like I don't want you guys buying boxes that you'll lose money. So definitely tag me on that. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe down below. If you guys enjoy Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays and you guys can't wait till Sneaker Mystery Box Friday week 11, don't forget that like button down below as well. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on the next video. Aloha. Shoot!